making a video about Pontins Holiday Park. The results still standing are Bean Sands, Somerset, Wakefield and Sand Bay. The parks that are open, Sand Bay being adults only and Wakefield being adults only. Pontins was founded in 1946 by a man called Fred Pontin. Fred Pontin opened his first camp in 1946 and he had several camps all over the UK. Pontins was the most popular, apart from Butlins, holiday resort in the UK all through the 70s, 80s and 90s and early 2000s. In 2003, end of 2003, Britannia Hotels, who bought the resort in 2011, closed down a number of resorts, starting with Camber Sands and Britannia, North Wales, and a few other resorts listed in the description closed. Thereafterwards, there's about 3 resorts remaining to this day. Is Camber Sands, Bean Sands is owned by Pontins. It's leased to the EDF, so that's closed to the public. Sand Bay is Pontins, but changed the name. I stayed there back in May. That's still Pontins, but not by name. Wakefield is getting leased out to the nuclear power plant development in 2025, so it'll be closed to the public. So what's going to happen to the resorts that have been closed? Well, no one knows. They're just not saying nothing to nobody with the amount of videos I've watched online. No one knows what's going to happen to the results. In the 90s, people used to use Pontins and before then, the 70s, 60s, were the years when Pontins was thriving. Pontins has actually got the potential to be a good holiday camp if Britannia Hotels cleaned them up and made them a lot better than what they are, in my opinion. Sand Bay is well looked after, what I've seen of it. It's clean and well looked after, so can't say much about that one. The staff are friendly and it's close. It's 4 miles from Western Supermare, so yeah, that's a good one. That is, they've actually done a good job there. All Britannia Hotels need to do with Pontins is refurb all the chalets, make them fit for purpose, and let people stay. Turn Camber Sands into adult only holiday parks. Is an option they could use, which I doubt they would. Their own hotels are not that brilliant, going by what I've seen online. They need to be trained in cleanliness, as I would say. They need to be, more spend more on the resorts. Then Pontins could be a brilliant park. I've watched quite a few bloggers who've been to these places and they all basically say the same thing. Walk With Me Tim has been there. Lucy, Explore With Me Lucy, or has been there. Or Lucy Explores, or Exploring with Lucy. Wherever has been there. Who knows where has been there. Quite a few of them been there actually. They're the ones who made the reports on it, and it's even been an ITV investigation All these channels I'll link in the description down below, so you can see them for yourselves. The parks, they need work on. They need a lot of work on. The adult only ones, they're okay actually. The one I've been to anyway. I'm going back there in October, so yeah, I'm looking forward to that. They're all in close vicinity of the beach, and it's sad to see that the Britannia hotels closed them because of a few thousand medium bad TripAdvisor reviews. All you got to do is clean the apartments and stuff like that. That's all you got to do. Fred Pontin opened the camps in 1946. He died in 1980 or something like that, or in the 90s. I looked it up and I'll put it in there now. I've got it now. Fred Pontin died the 30th of September 2000. So he was 93 when he passed away. Hensby Pontins, that's been redeveloped. That closed in 2009 and was derelict for many years. There's videos on that online as well. I'll link those down below, the ones I've seen of that. And that was within reaching distance of the beach. And I see a video of a Elvis Presley convention in the 90s. I'll link that in there too. So yeah, these places were proper family gathering places. The food, right, it's magnificent going by the stuff that I've seen online. Back in the day, Pontins was the place, second to Butlins. I won't discuss Butlins in this video, but it was second to Butlins. The places resembled before the closed down Passat Inn, Camber Sands, and Camber Sands, and I forget the other name of the other one, but they all resembled building sites and were pretty dangerous, and skate parks being left unattended when they're unfit to be used, and fences put around them, no one supervising them, stuff like that. That was the downfall of Pontins. It sort of went downhill from the time Britannia hotels took over. There was even a watchdog investigation into this, which I'd also link in the description down below, so you'll be able to see that for yourselves. So yeah, it's sad that it's gone more or less. There's 3 sites left. Well, 2 once the other one closes to be used for the nuclear power plant development. And Pakefield closes in 2025. So yeah, there'd only be 2 left then. It's end of an era. They should let Butlins or some place like that buy the other sites off of them, so they can be put back into the holiday industry, so families can enjoy Pontins once again. Pontins was thriving in the 50s, 60s. You look on the holiday on the buses, the fun people seemed to be having back then. The parks were full, it was clean, there's no worries about health and safety. There's people being happy, people enjoying their holidays. But from 2011 the park sort of went downhill. There was no investment, no reinvestment in the fixing of parks and things that got broken, chairs being left outside, stuff like that, and grass overgrown, machinery being turned off, like a games machine, being turned off, go-karts, go-kart areas being abandoned and not used. Petrol cans being left in sheds. You see it on Walk with Tim, you see it on these videos. So there's so many things that went wrong for Pontins, and if Britannia Hotels put some investment into the parks and actually paid people to fix the things, then Pontins could be a good park once more and a good holiday resort for people, second to Butlins. And even Butlins had more resorts in its time. I think there's over 30 Pontins when it first opened, dotted all over the country. Most of them have been knocked down, turned into housing estates and stuff like that. There's only 2 left, but basically once Pakefield closes to the nuclear power plant development. I'm only going by what I've seen on videos. If Britannia Hotels paid more investment into the company and put more into it, then the Pontins would thrive once more and Britannia Hotels would be in profit. But as the parks have been let go for so long, I doubt that's even possible. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and if this has been of any use, I don't know if it has been. I'm just going by what I've seen, and I've got no script. But Pontins was, in the day, a fantastic place to go and enjoy yourself. Right, I'm going to end this video here. Like and subscribe if you found this video of any use, which I doubt you would, but I don't know, I'm just a noob with this YouTube stuff. Right, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you agreed with anything I said in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.